A very good morning, children. First of all, let me congratulate you for your promotion in your new class. Welcome to class 9. Though we thought that we'll meet in the school in your classroom, but because of this pandemic COVID-19, unfortunately, we have to interact with you children in this way. But anyways, I feel that starting with a chapter like the fun they had, which I told you in my previous class that we'll be doing today, is really a boon in disguise, because the story, it is very close. The situation in the story is very close to the way you are today learning. Means this teaching learning process which we are going through online, in the similar manner, the characters who are there in the story, they will read and they will try to contrast their school and the school which you are having. Means your real school in which you study, but because of this pandemic we are doing these online classes. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of these kind of classes, that is the online classes versus the classes which you are having in your real classroom, where we the teachers come to teach you? That is the difference that they discuss about, and that's why I told you that it's just a boon in disguise that we are going to do we are going to start our academic session of your class 9 with this story. The story, the fun they had, is been, firstly, let me tell you about the writer. But even in CBSE, we don't emphasize much on the life of the writer. But yet, because at least you should know that who he is. So Isaac Asimov, he is an American writer, and mostly he has written about the works of science fiction and the popular science books he has written, and why he is so much keen towards science, because he is a professor. He was a professor in biochemistry at Boston University. So this is also a science fiction. In this, the writer, he is, we can say, he is a visionary. Okay, visionary. What is the meaning of visionary? Visionary means a person who can calculate, who can understand that what will be the situation of the world after, suppose, 1 century or 50 years in the future. What will be the life like? That is called vision. So he is a visionary, and this story is a we can say it's a fictionary story. Fictionary means it's an imaginary story. In the very first paragraph, you can see that children, you can consult to the PDF which I have shared with you. In that you can see that in the very first page of the story, we are having that it is mentioned the date. The date mentioned is 17th of May 2157. Means we can say nearly 130 years after this day, what will be the situation like that he discusses. But we can say that fortunately or unfortunately, today we are in the similar kind of situation. Yes or no? Isn't it? I'm taking your online classes, and the story talks about the advantages and disadvantages of online classes. That how the children, the main characters of the story, how they feel. What is the